So today we are going to talk about how to continuously learn and develop your skills. Hold up. If you are watching me for the first time, you are welcome to Adedunni Space. On this channel, I create educative content, lifestyle content, and also crafts. So for my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting. Thank you for your likes, shares, comments. I am really, really grateful. Continuous learning and skills development are essential aspects of personal and professional growth that you and I really need. They involve actively seeking out a new knowledge, honing existing skills, and adapting to changes in your field. What are your field? Did you study science? Did you study business administration like me? Did you study tech? Those are your field. What are your major? What do you want to do? What do you want as your career? Those are your field. Do you choose HRM? Do you choose finance, accounting, IT, data analysis, data entry? You need to develop your skills in those fields. Okay. Now let's identify areas for improvements. Now, you need to assess your current skills, knowledge, and areas where you want to improve. Now, considering both personal and professional goals. Now, what I know, or what I'm trying to say in this area, let me use myself as an example. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Business Administration. My major is HR, Human Resource Management. But I personally can work in any office under Business Administration. Any organization, any post, any job position under business administration, as long as it's administrative. So now, if I want to be an administrator or an admin manager, stuff like that, I still need to learn, example, data entry, data analysis, business analysis. All these things are like growth to me, skills that I need to acquire. How to use softwares, and as an HR, how to use a lot of softwares and computers are very important, especially Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook, all this Microsoft. This analysis will help you target specific area for development. Okay, so when you're able to identify areas that you need to improve yourself, you understand. Like I'm dying to just make sure I get these skills on data entry, and I need more practical, not this theory learning. Like I want to really go to a practical school that they just learn by typing, explaining truth typing, explaining real life knowledge, not the theoretical or online study. I've done all that, but I'm not feeling fulfilled. I'm just using myself as an example. So set learning goals based on the identify area. Like I said, I needed to learn the practical aspects of data entry and data analysis, knowledge of softwares. I need the practical knowledge. So I have already identified the areas I need to improve. Now I'm setting the learning goals. That's why setting the clear goals is very important. I have to make them smart. Like for instance, specific or measurable. I have to be specified. Like I have to be specific on the goals I want to achieve. And are they achievable? They must be achievable. You understand? Are they measurable? Are they relevant? And are they time bounded? So I have to set the SMART goals to provide a structured approach. You understand? Now let's talk about the lifelong learning mindset. We have to cultivate the mindset of lifelong learning. Embrace curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Stay open to new ideas, experiences, and perspectives. Treat every opportunity as a chance to learn. Read regularly. Many of us are so busy, we don't read, we don't search through the internet for regular information or updates on us. You don't even check the business news anymore. So we need to keep this habit up by reading books, okay, checking for blogs or articles, checking academic results, related to your field and area of interest. Being informed, you understand, makes you ahead. So reading broadens your understanding and exposes you to different perspectives, you understand. Now, let's also learn to take courses and workshops. Enroll in an online or in-person courses and workshop related to your profession or personal interest. Many platforms offer a wide range of courses and technical skills for soft skills and personal development. YouTube is one of your friends. Coursera, Google, Udemy, whatever. Alison is one of my best places to learn. Alison, I love Alison so much. I've been using it for years. So I never get inspired. The certificate. So now, attend seminars and conferences. Participate in seminars, webinars, conferences, and networking events related to your field. Thank God for the internet age. Now it's easy to do all these things with internet. That you don't have to move from one location to another. When I was learning, I moved from one location to another. These events will provide you opportunities to learn from experts. Especially seminars, conferences, webinars. Okay, you get insight into the industry trends and connect with peers, right? So, online leading platforms such as YouTube is one of the places that you can learn now. A lot of courses, even without courses, you can set the course for yourself and watch videos on that skills you want to acquire rather. So, utilize online learning platforms such as Coursera, like I said, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Khan Academy, and others. These platforms are, diverse in nature. They have diverse courses, often taught by professionals in the field that you want. Become a member of professional association in your field. Many associations offer resources, offer workshops and networking opportunities that support continuous learning and skills development. Now, just to practice regularly. Do you just learn and dump it somewhere just like me? No, of course not. Just like my graphic draw, thanks to Canva, I can now practice my graphics all the time to create content for you guys, to create thumbnail, to create graphics like logos, whatever I want to do. I am able to use Canva. Like I play with Canva because I already acquired the knowledge. In fact, if I can see CorelDRAW right now, I want to play with it because I already acquired the practical knowledge of it. I already practiced. So thanks to Canva, I renew my practice all the time. It helps me to keep the memory alive when it comes to that aspect. And what other things did I learn? I learned so many things that I personally know that I need practice regularly. So put your learning into practice by applying new skills and knowledge in your work or personal projects. You can see what I just said. Anytime I want to create thumbnail, I go to Canva key and create thumbnail, logo, whatever I want to create video if I want to, because Canva is a new skill to me compared to that I only use CorelDRAW and some other software to learn graphics, Adobe and all that. So Canva is just like an helper to my skill. If I decide to take that field seriously, I'm sure many of you will be calling, messaging to help you out. Good thumbnail and good logo, help you create animation, video and stuff. But this woman is serious. So practice helps reinforce what you've learned and allow you to refine your skills. Now seek feedback and mentorship. Request feedback from peers, supervisors. That's why I say practical knowledge or physical knowledge is also very good, because you have supervisors and mentors, which can happen also online. So to identify areas for improvement, engage with a mentor who can guide you in your journey and provide valuable insights and advice. Experiment and innovate. Be willing to experiment and innovate. YouTube is another way for me to experiment my graphic skills, right? So experiment and innovate. Trying new approaches and technologies will not only broaden your skills set, but also spark creativity and adaptability. Do we understand? Now we need to stay updated and informed. Staying informed about the latest trend, advancements, and news in your field is very important. Follow reputable sources, subscribe to newsletter, subscribe to YouTube videos that will help you, remind you how much changes has occurred in your field, you understand, and engage with professional communities. You can do that on YouTube, you can do that on LinkedIn, you can do that even on other online platforms that you can learn from. Always remember, the key is to be proactive and consistent in your pursuit of learning and skills development. Embrace a growth mindset. Stay committed to continuous improvement and seize every opportunity to expand your knowledge and ability. Next talk will be how to practice self-reflection. But for today, I would like to end it here. And I hope you are able to take something home. You are able to leave something on your right hand to take home. Share this video with somebody that you know they need motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a beautiful comment down below. Click the share button. I know you will do this for me, right? I just want to thank you, wonderful subscribers and family. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.